light on your skin, I can see your glow, every move that I make. Baby, nice and slow, you whisper my name. Boy, it's pulling me close, now the room feels like fire. And we both know that look in your eyes, that's everything I need. You ain't gotta talk, daddy, let me touch what I need. I've been waiting all night just to make you see. You the only one that's riding on me. My body language saying what your lips won't do. Feeling your heartbeat matching my groove. Boy, I'm locked in, all this love is for you. Tell me right now, are you feeling it too? I want you right here, right now, feeling for your love, rain coming down. Every inch of you, daddy, I vow to show you what I mean when I'm screaming out loud. I want you, don't make me wait. I'm wet from your touch, only you make me feel this way. We both know what this could be, so baby, come closer to me. Your scent still lingers on my skin like a song. Every note playing right where it belongs. I can't fake cool, no, not tonight. Every second with you just feels right. Dim the lights, let the rhythm take hold. His hands on my waist, our story unfolds. Boy, you know that this vibe's overdue. Every whisper you breathe pulls me deeper into you. Oh, don't stop what you're doing, babe. You got me losing control. The way you move, the way you sway, it's like you're touching my soul. Now my heart's confessing, no use hiding the truth. Swanee, I'm lost in your rhythm, and all I